Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dora the Fluid Crafter and I'm here for an unboxing. I was contacted by Bead Park and they wanted me to select some of their items and to review them and to make some videos and some tutorials. So we are going to have some fun, guys. I wanted to show you what I got. So are you ready for this? Okay, so we're going to pull some of these out here. That's the packing slip. Okay, making sure that it's empty, and it is. Okay, we could put that over there. Okay, so the first thing that I got is I have a pair of these, but they're really super old and they're just not, the handle is just, it's just so worn out. And so I went ahead and got another set, and these are the jewelry pliers. And I will show you how to use these if you don't know how to use them. These are completely rounded needle noses. They're rounded needle noses. Okay, and so I got those. And then I needed something to cut chipboard and really thick cardboard. My scissors just were not cutting it. And so they have these really cool, and I'm going to set that up there, these really cool scissors that are huge. Look at these guys. These are huge. And the great thing is they come oiled. So you don't have to worry about them being oiled. When you get them, you will want to wipe them off. Don't clean them, but just wipe them off and cut maybe some old paper or something that you just kind of really don't care about, some scraps or something, to kind of brush that off. Okay, and so you can see here, these are super big and they're really, really sharp. I love these so much. So I got those. Let me put these back in the case. And then I got some beads. Now I got some beads before, and they were a little bit bigger than this, and I'm running low on my small beads. And so I wanted to get some more little ones. I'm going to open this up. Hold on, is there tape on the sides? I don't think there is. Doesn't look like it. It's on the front. Imagine that, and I can't even see it. That's okay. So we're just going to take that off right now. Which is good, so it doesn't come open. Okay, these are packed super, super well, guys. Okay, and so here are the beads I chose. I love these pearly, they almost look like they have that very pearly mother of pearl type sheen to it, and I really like that. These here are iridescent, so you can see through them, which is also really nice, and we're going to be doing some really cool projects with these also. Okay, so there's the beads. Let me put that up out of the way. And then I got some hitch posts. Yes, I did. So I got the tops and the bottoms, and I'm just going to take out one of each so I can show you. You get so many in a bag. I mean, oh my goodness. Absolutely worth every single penny. So, and then there's those. And they're just like the ones that you get over here. So you have the top piece and the bottom piece, and then they just screw into each other. Okay. What I like about these though is it has a Phillips head on the top. Let me see if I can focus that in a little bit, maybe. Not really. It's not focusing, maybe because it's so shiny. Okay, so I will also show this. I wanted to use these for my journal to close my journals, and I can do that with hair bands or strings or chains or anything like that. So that's why I got these, which is going to be so super cool. I've got 4 journals I'm working on right now, so I am going to be using these for the closures. These are, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use those. Okay, so then I got some other things. I got the 5x4 millimeter chain. This one is silver. And I love the fact that they're double packaged. I mean, they are just packaged so well. So this here just slides on and off. And I love this. You can reuse this as a tag. Isn't that so cool? All right, so then you got your chain here. And it just unravels. So if you can see that, it's so nice. I am super impressed already, but we will also be doing some projects with those. I got the same one in black, and this one is the this one does not say on there, but I'm pretty sure it's the same one. I just happen to have gotten it in black, so let's just make sure here. No, this is the smaller one. So if you can see that, it's just a little bit smaller, which is exactly what I wanted it to be. So we will also be doing some projects with these. I love making tassels and things like that with the chains, so we're going to be having some fun. And then I got these cute little safety pins. They're so tiny, okay? I love doing altered safety pins and things like that for my journals and putting like fabric on them and things. Look how tiny that is. Isn't that so funny? Look at that. I'm not sure why my camera's not focusing, but it's just not doing it. So, but if you can see that size, it is so tiny. Yes, they're so cute. Okay, so then I got 3 sets of these. They're all different, so I'll show you the one set, and I'll show you what we're going to be doing with these as well. So there's one. Here is 2. Not sure why my lighting is not very well right now, but usually it's a lot better than this. So there is those. And then these. These here. I love them so much. And then the last thing that I got was these pieces of pre-cut film. Okay, and you can't really see it because it's kind of, you know, of course you can see through it. All right, now they're not very thick, and that's okay. I don't want them very thick, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some picture slides, and I'm also going to be doing some specimen cards. And the reason why I'm using these, and I'll show you, I have a laminator, but sometimes that laminator, when you're putting a picture through it, because it gets hot, if you don't have one that does cool laminating, I have one that does cool laminating, it can melt your picture. It can make your picture distorted and have spots on it if you're not very careful. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, over the top, I'm going to put one of these sheets on top of it. And I'm going to put it through the cool setting. And so that way it has just that little of an extra layer. And that way I can also sew around it and do all kinds of other things, which I will show you guys. So that is my Bead Park haul, and I'm so excited, guys. You have no idea. I'm so super excited to get started on these. So look for my videos coming up, and we are definitely going to be doing some projects. Now, I will leave the Bead Park website down below if you want to check them out. And each video that I do and the products that I use, I will link them so you can find them very easily. Okay, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Think outside your box and be creative. Bye-bye now.